Let's review the It Girl bag of the summer. Hello friends, my name is Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you here. While you're here, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. It really helps a lot. I love doing a ton of lifestyle and fashion content. So like I said, today we are reviewing It Girl bag of the summer. I'm so excited. I feel like these types of bags were super popular this summer, and overall it's just a great summer bag. Be sure to stick around at the end of the video because I will do an up close and personal look of this cute bag. So let's go ahead and bring this baby out. This bag is the Loewe Raffia straw bag. So here she is. Look at her. So cute. So I got this bag for a summer vacation. I was going to Cabo, so I wanted to get this bag for Cabo, and I ended up getting it at Saks. So cute. This is a great summer look, great summer bag. I feel like these are super popular right now, maybe even trendy, but like I said, I can wear this all summer long and it should be a great summer bag. So let's start off with the price. I got this bag for, it's listed for $2,500 US. So like I said, I did get it at Saks. I originally went to look at another Loewe bag at Saks, but it was just not as flattering as this one. I liked this one better. So it has these leather straps that are detachable. So if you wanted to, you can remove these leather straps very easily. So far I've kept both of the straps on at the same time, and you could wear it as a shoulder bag, which I'll show you coming up. Top handle bag. You could probably put this on the shoulder as well. I love this strap. This strap gives it more of like a jewelry. It elevates your look a bit with this bag because it has a jewelry piece and it's just fun and elevates your look. The inside, so this is what the inside of the bag is. Actually, I don't have anything in this purse. I've been trying to be better about taking things out of my purse when I'm not using it. The inside looks like this. It has a little flap inside where you can put some credit cards or some lip gloss. So the size of this bag, it's a pretty decent size for a summer bag. For a bag, you can fit quite a bit. Like I said, when I was in Cabo, I fit my wallet inside with no problem, sunglasses, lip gloss, and there is still room for more. So you can fit quite a bit of things in this bag. It's a great size. Durability, not sure really. I've never had a straw bag, so be sure to check out the comments. I will keep you guys updated to see how durable it is, but it is straw, so we'll see. I don't think it's going to be damaged easily, so to be determined. And then it says, I don't know if you guys saw this, the Loewe writing right here. So we talked about price, sizing, durability, and style. So when and where wear this to, how can you wear and style this bag? Like I've said many times, this is a summer bag, so I will only be wearing this bag in the summer. Right now we're in August, so the summertime is almost over. But this is a great vacation bag. Like I said, I took it to Cabo with me, and I'll share some pictures with you guys that will pop up on the screen. So you can see I wore this with my sundresses. I had some linen dresses I wore this with. I used it more as a daytime bag. There was one time at night though, I did wear a linen dress and I styled this bag with the linen dress, but This would be great for the summer brunch, summer breakfast, maybe even summer dinners, summer vacations. So if you have these cute summer dresses, like these cute sundresses, linen dresses, you should pair this bag with it. It was overall a great piece for my vacation. Super cute, and I didn't want to spend a crazy amount on a summer straw bag, so I felt like this was a good balance. I checked out some other ones, and I felt like there's this one tote that I looked at that I just didn't like, and then some of the other totes, I feel like a lot of people have them, so I wanted something a little different that I haven't seen too much, and something that could elevate my outfit. And I felt like this piece right here did add some elevation to my outfit. But overall, I'm happy with this purchase and I recommend. Now I will show you how it looks on my shoulder. I am wearing some linen, so surprise. I love me some linen. And then I will do a up close and personal video of the bag for you guys. So let's see. Rock it on side. Good shoulder bag. And then you can also, where is it? Top handle. That is the Loewe bag right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I will link everything to my LTK in the description box below, so be able to check out that. I have a ton of linen outfits that I love, as well as this bag. But thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and tune in for my next video. I'm super excited about this next handbag review. So thanks guys. I will see you next time.